Apisas e migao mar somo kaachiel kod bad migao ma rango chenro mag sirikal ochiwo siem ne weg orak ma yulo e tich kendo deko tieko chenro mag gedo madhi mbele sikunde mopogore opogore e kaunti ma Nyamira ka giloso seche mane gidhi rango kaka chenro ma itaya kod sirikand Kuwait e sikunde 68 e kaunti ma Nyamira dhi nyime. Apisas go mawuok e gwenge mag Nyanza wacho ni weg orak auchiel osema orak mane omigi kaluwore kod digni e tieko chenro mag gedo.
Projects are ongoing well, and those contractors who are not who have breached the contractual obligations, we have terminated 6 contractors for civil works, and we are already in the process of getting the new contractors. Yes, the contractors who are working with us now, the 15 of them, they are doing a good job. As you can see, their facilities, they are delivering well.
The extension that we had been given was up to 31st January, and we are looking forward to possibly hand over and commission some of these schools before even early October, especially for those schools that are around 90 to 95% complete. We are having programs where we can be able to commission them and hand over to the schools for proper usage.
It will go a long way in easing congestion in most of our learning institutions. They are doing dormitories, they are doing tuition blocks, classes, and even the science and ICT labs, together with other infrastructure in our schools.
This is actually very good. The labs will be closer to the learners. Initially, the learners would go to other schools to learn science there. Now the labs are here with them, and most of our STEM learners will know what is actually happening in the science.